Wolf selling chicken? Dinosaurs seen that wolf selling chicken.
Wow. Let's go.
The dinosaurs beaten wolf and eaten chicken.
Wow.
Wolf selling burger. The dinosaurs roaring angrily. The bear ran away. The dinosaur beaten wolf and eaten all burgers.
Okay.
Wolf sat sadly. Gorilla seen that wolf.
What happened?
Dinosaurs beaten me and taken food.
No problem. Take this and inject in food.
Wolf inject magical chemical in watermelon. Dinosaurs came and eaten watermelon. After eaten dinosaurs became watermelon head dinosaurs. Wolf seen that and enjoyed a lot.
I'll give you $100 for one egg. Go and bring the eggs.
Okay, I'll bring it.
Wolf irritate the dinosaur with remote car.
Oh no!
Dinosaur became angry.
Hey, I will smash you.
This is a good time. I'll quickly go and steal all the eggs.
Wolf hit the Godzilla with stone.
You disturbed my sleep. Wait, I will broke you.
I'll take these eggs as well.
Okay.
Wolf punctured Godzilla with sharp stick.
You hurted me.
Godzilla chased the car. Wolf taken all Godzilla eggs. Scarface while sleeping, car scratched hard. Scarface overhead, it woke up.
What is this? I will kick you.
The wolf steal the T-Rex eggs also. The wolf takes all animal eggs with the track. On the way, Wolf bumps into a gorilla.
Are you crazy?
It's fun, man.
Go properly?
The animals roaring for their eggs.
What happened?
We missed our eggs.
Gorilla remembered that Wolf taken eggs in truck.
Come with me. I will show your eggs.
Wolf dropped all eggs at shop. While taking the money, all the animals come and beat the wolf for stealing their eggs. Happily taking their eggs to their place. The gorilla and Godzilla they plan to roast the chicken.
I will bring sticks, and you bring flame.
Okay.
They both went. The dinosaur seen the chicken.
Wow! No one is here. I'll take all of these.
By the time the gorilla and Godzilla arrived,
Oh my God, our chicken was missed.
they seen that dinosaur taking their chicken.
Let's go.
As the dinosaur sets the fire, the gorilla and Godzilla quietly approach and steal the chicken.
Where is my chicken?
The dinosaur notices them taking the chicken.
Okay.
The dinosaur grabs the chicken and takes it. When the gorilla steps out and checks, the chicken was missed.
Okay.
They jump into the bushes and slowly move inside. The gorilla and Godzilla take the chicken to their hands.
Oh no!
The dinosaur removed the bushes from them.
Oh no!
And set them on fire.
Oh no!
We moved the big stone towards the dinosaur.
On top of the hill, a large stone rolls down toward the house.
Okay.
The stone speeds down and crashes the door and pushing the dinosaur out from the house. The gorilla and Godzilla happily sit together and eat the chicken. A wolf hides behind a tree and sees a sauropod walking by. It thinks about trapping the sauropod. The wolf digs a big hole,
Okay.
covers it with soil, and places bananas on top before leaving. The sauropod sees the bananas and goes to eat them, but falls into the hole and shout for help. All the nearby animals gathered.
Oh no!
Catch my tail, I will pull you out.
The dinosaur bites its tail tightly. T-Rex shout with pain.
We have to find the way to get it out.
The gorilla throws a rope to the sauropod. The rope wraps around its waist. The gorilla pulls the rope hard. And even Godzilla helps. but the dinosaur still doesn't come out. All the animals pull the rope together, hanging onto it with all their strength. Slowly, the dinosaur rises. It came some, but cannot get out.
Oh no!
At that moment, all the animals pulling the rope lose balance and fall. Making the dinosaur drop back into the hole. A monkey sitting on a tree watches and laughs. Then the monkey picks up an iron rod nearby and pokes the dinosaur with it. Instantly, the dinosaur jumps out of the hole. All the animals rejoice as the dinosaur finally escapes. Dinosaurs feeling hungry.
Let's go for food.
Okay.
Wolf pour magical powder. Dinosaur eggs turn to zombie eggs. The dinosaurs came back, seen zombie eggs and scared. Zombie dinosaurs came out from eggs and attacks on the dinosaur. The dinosaurs ran away from there. Gorilla scene. That dinosaur ran with fear.
Why are you running?
Zombie dinosaurs attacking on us.
Zombie dinosaurs attacking gorilla also. The gorilla fight with zombie dinosaurs and kick them out. The zombie dinosaurs thrown near wolf. The wolf scared and ran away. The zombie dinosaurs chasing the wolf.